In the realm of culinary excellence, blenders stand as indispensable companions, transforming ordinary ingredients into delectable creations with the power of precision and efficiency. The market today boasts a plethora of blenders, each vying for the title of the best in its class. Whether you're a health enthusiast crafting nutritious smoothies or a culinary maestro whipping up gourmet delights, the right blender can make all the difference. Join us as we delve into the world of blending perfection and explore the top 5 blenders that have earned their stripes through innovation, performance, and user satisfaction. From sleek designs to cutting-edge technology, these blenders redefine the art of blending, promising to elevate your kitchen experience to new heights. Number 5, Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie Food Processing Blender, 1100 watts, 3 functions for frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, more, 72 ounces. Pitcher, 2, 16 ounces. To-go cup spout lids, gray, ultimate power, 1100 watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. Special features, manual. Versatile functions, professional performance with 3 manual speeds, pulse, and the single serve function for to-go cups. Stainless steel design ensures long-lasting use, XL capacity, 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher is perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family, or entertaining guests. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Food processing, chop fresh ingredients evenly without any mush. Effortlessly mince, chop, grind, and blend a variety of ingredients for easy meal preparations and recipes. On the go convenience, blend directly in the 16 ounces single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations on the go. Easy to clean, all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Recipe inspiration includes a 28 recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. What's included? 1100 watt motor base, 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher with lid, stacked blade assembly, 2, 16 ounces. To-go cups, 2, spout lids, pro extractor blades assembly, 28 recipe inspiration guide. 24 inches or 2 feet power cord. Number 4, Hamilton Beach Portable Blender for Shakes and Smoothies with 14-ounce BPA-free travel cup and lid, durable stainless steel blades for powerful blending performance. Blue, 51132, Blend and Go, blend fruit smoothies, shakes and your favorite icy drinks right in the 14 ounces. BPA-free travel jar. The personal blender jar comes with a travel lid to double as a to-go cup. It's lightweight and fits most car cup holders. Powerful blending performance, durable stainless steel blades on the blender power through ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens for smooth results. Perfect for adding more vitamins and nutrients into your diet in smoothies and protein shakes. Quick easy cleanup. The blending jar, blades, and travel lid on this Hamilton Beach blender are all dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is a breeze. Compact design fits most cup holders. The small size of the personal blender jar makes it perfect for the home, office, travel, small dorms, and apartments. The compact base comes with a 24-cord and convenient cord wrap, easy one-touch blending. Quickly prepare a variety of icy drinks by just pressing the button. It's so easy. This is sure to be your go-to blender for shakes and smoothies. Number 3, Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender for shakes, smoothies, puree, crush ice, 40-ounce glass jar, 12 functions, stainless steel ice saber blades, black, 58148A, powerful blending performance, with 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel ice saber blades. The smoothie blender gives you all the power you need to make smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and more. Ultra smooth results with patented wave action system. As you blend, ingredients are continuously forced down into the blades and circulated around the jar, thoroughly crushing the hardest foods with ease. Serve with ease. The Spoutomless electric blender lets you pour contents into your glass without spills or drips, so serving is easy and mess-free. Easy TO clean with dishwasher-safe glass jar, lid and blades. Blending multiple servings is easy with the glass jar that holds 40 ounces. The jar, lid and removable blades on the blender are all dishwasher safe. 12 blending functions for maximum versatility. This multi-function blender has 12 functions controlled by 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel. It blends and crushes ice for smoothies and milkshakes, purees, dices, chops and more. Number 2, Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender with 1000-watt base and total crushing technology for smoothies, ice, and frozen fruit. Black, 9.5 and LX 7.5 and WX 17 in H. Professional power. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. Power source. Corded electric amperage. 12.5 amps. XL capacity. The 72-ounce professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Ice crushing. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. Recipe inspiration. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish making inspiration. Easy cleanup. Pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. What's included? 1000-watt motor-based professional blender, 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with lid. Number 1, Magic Bullet Blender, small, black, 11-piece set. The Magic Bullet lets you blend, mix, and chop your favorite foods in seconds. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rise with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. High-torque 250-watt motor powers the machine's versatility. There's no limit to the sauces, dips, drinks and snacks you can create. Included: 1 250W motor base, 1 cross blade, 1 tall cup, 1 short cup, 1 party mug, 2 lip rings, 2 stay fresh resealable lids, 1 to-go lid and 10-second recipe guide. Crossblade is made from stainless steel and cups are made from super durable, BPA-free. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. This item comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Included components: cook's tools, cream maker's chargers, electric blenders.